Aries, hi! Welcome to Mr. Queen PH. At ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang kung gusto nyo mag-book for a private reading. Okay, let's see. Aries, kamusta kayo? What's up with you? Ngayong June 17 to 23. Dignified strength. So you have lakas ng loob. Maaring meron ka ngayong unti-unti na naaabot na goal sa buhay mo. Yung iba sa inyo maaring may mag-open up na opportunity like leadership role, may promotion sa work, merong yun nga lang, may bagong responsibilities for some of you that will require your strength. And I think this is also being comfortable, masaya sa situation mo ngayon. You must be proud of yourself dahil marami kang na-achieve, no? May mga, yung iba kahit na small wins, no? Oo, mga milestones na na-achieve nyo in life, sa inyong career, sa personal na mga goals ninyo, 'di ba? Halimbawa, goal niyo na makabili ng sasakyan o nakabili ka ng sasakyan or ng bahay. So you feel good about yourself. You have energy ng Libra, which is about balance. So you want healthy living rin, no? Parang kumbaga you are working and at the same time meron ka ring oras para sa sarili mo, no, to take care of yourself. You also have 11th house community. So yung iba sa inyo meron kayong susubukan or papasukin na bagong membership. Parang magme-member ka sa SNR o kaya sa Landers. O kaya naman magjo-join ka sa mga Facebook communities, no, na kung saan meron kayong pare-parehong interest, and then you will learn from each other. Okay? So some of you naman maaring mas magbo-boom pa yung business ninyo or yung inyong source of income, yung career ninyo sa social media or sa internet, no? Any platforms. Let's see what else. Ano yung overall energy ng mga Libra? Ng Libra. Ba't sinabi ko Libra? Kasi may Libra rito. Okay. Ng mga Aries. Aries. Two of Swords. Huh? Kaya siguro Libra energy is because making a decision. So, this week, Aries, meron kang decision making na kailangan gawin. This can be a major decision na maraming maapektuhan, kaya talagang you are taking your time, no? Pinag-iisipan mong maigi. But of course, you have to, kumbaga kailangan mo pa rin talagang mag-decide eh. Minsan, dinedelay natin yung decision making kasi hindi pa tayo ready, hindi tayo sigurado. But eventually, you will have to make a choice. Okay? So, your challenge is the Six of Swords. Pwede magkaroon ng challenge sa travel, no, ngayong week na to. So, make sure to plan your travels para iwas aberya. Okay? Yung iba, hindi pa makamove on from a conflict or difficult situation with someone. So, yung possible opportunity, Nine of Swords. I feel like, isa sa opportunity ninyo, yung makatulog na kayo ng maayos. Finally. Kasi, sa totoo, nire-read ko to, inaantok ako. So, maaring for you, Aries, ngayong week na to, kailangan nyo makabawi ng tulog. So, yan, yung mas may opportunity kayo ngayon makapagpahinga, makatulog, no? Makapag-relax. Para klaro ang inyong isipan, especially kung hindi kayo makapag-decide, no? Yung iba kasi nagbabakasyon muna, lumalayo, nagsuspend muna ng time sa sarili nila, lalo na kung meron silang major decision, para at least napag-isipan talaga nilang maigi. So, your blessing is the Ten of Swords. Puro swords, Aries. Ang dami nyo iniisip. Oo, anong gumugulo sa isip nyo ngayon? So, with the Ten of Swords as your blessing, meron kang isang difficult situation, stressful situation na matatapos na. Kumbaga, yun na yung dulo. It's about to end, and there's a new beginning coming in. Let's see, what is the Two of Swords? Ano itong decision making na to? Oh, pwedeng sa pera. Pwede ring nagde-decide ka whether parang meron kang pinagpipili ang dalawang trabaho or dalawang opportunities or related sa business. Or meron ka rin pinag-decisionan whether may magbibigay ka ng pera sa isang tao o hindi. Oo. So, what is the Six of Swords? You have the Emperor. So, this is financial, stability. Siguro, isa sa gumugulo sa isip mo ngayon is kung paano mamamanage ng maayos yung finances mo. Or kung meron kang business. Oo. Pwede kasing meron kang mga plans of travel, pero ang isa sa challenge is pwedeng delayed yung flight o kaya naman may problema sa documents. So, kailangan paghandaan mong maigi para iwas aberya. What is the Nine of Swords? The Seven of Swords. I feel like ang isa sa opportunity for you ngayong week na to is malalaman mo kung sino yung mga taong totoo sa'yo, kung sino yung mga kakampi mo, sino yung mga kaaway mo, sino yung mga against you, sino yung mga supporters mo. Well, at least, alam mo na. Kasi mahirap naman na kumilos na yung kasama mo pala, yung hinahayaan mo pala na ma-update, ay isa palang kaaway or merong hindi magandang intentions towards you. Okay? Kasi siguro marami ka rin iniisip dahil maaring meron dito na sinira yung tiwala mo sa kanya, 'di ba? Parang hindi mo matanggap, like hindi mo maisip bakit ganon. Of all people siya pa ganon. What is the Ten of Swords? The Magician. So this is stepping into your own power. Okay? Kumbaga babalik yung iyong lakas, yung iyong tiwala sa sarili mo. And I think, itong Emperor is also your energy, Aries. Pwedeng ang kalaban mo rin dito yung sarili mo. May mga times na ikaw mismo yung parang ang tawag dyan? Ikaw mismo yung naglilimita. Oo. Parang pwedeng kalaban mo yung sarili mo kasi ikaw rin mismo yung nanlalait sa sarili mo. Alam mo yung sinisisi mo yung sarili mo. Let's see what else. Person of air. So, you may be dealing with Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So, very controlling energy. You're also going to be more creative this week. Marami kang mga great ideas. You are also examining yourself. So, kumbaga, reassessing your situation. Nire-reassess mo yung mga bagay na dapat mong iwasan, gawin, palayain, at bigyan ng focus. You are meant to be successful, Aries. Yes. Magte-take ka ng risk pagdating sa business, trabaho, sa career mo. Ito, do not settle for anything less than what you deserve. So, kung sa tingin mo, hindi mo nakukuha yung gusto mo, yung goals mo for your career, your business, your finances, then it's time to take a chance, sumubok ng mga bagong bagay, mas mag-risk. Sa relationship, romance, sabotage, and trapped. Okay. Some of you, pwedeng you are in a relationship right now, kaya lang parang feeling mo, hindi ka na makakilos. Baka meron kang ka-deal na masyadong masyadong selosa, or possessive, na kung saan siya yung nagsasabotahe sa relationship ninyo. Na minsan kahit mahal mo, parang naisip mo na tama ba na gano'n, na tanggalan mo na ng kalayaan yung sarili mo na magawa yung gusto mo. Dahil minsan sobra na rin yung yung obsession ng person mo sa'yo. So, you have to check on that. Kasi kung ganon, you need to do something about it, no? Para you become free. Malaya kang magawa yung gusto mo. Okay? So, that is your reading, Aries. Thank you so much. Bye!